Hello and welcome to Random Things. This is Ty, and today I have a little repair job on my electric XPremium. And so what happened was, when I went to pull the rubber or silicone cap out so I can plug in the charger, this whole thing pulled out. It's threaded here. It's not threaded here, so it's not screwed in there. And so I took this cover off. It's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Took those 3 screws off. And lo and behold, there's the nut that secures that piece. So all you have to do is push that through and tighten it up. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on it so it doesn't shake loose in the future. And let's give that a try. Okay, so I got the nut tightened back on there. And now I just need to put this cover back on. Okay, so real quick, the screws are actually different sizes. So the big one goes there, and the 2 smaller ones go there. Okay, now that that's back in and tight, should be able to pull this out. Ah, look at that, it's there. Just make sure the battery will fit back in okay. Voila! All done. Now that wasn't too bad. At first I was really frustrated, but I thought it was going to be a pain in the butt. But it was actually pretty simple. And then the other thing is, once I open that cavity and I see how much space is in there, that gives me ideas, possibilities. Who knows? But anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the like and share button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. That will really help me out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next random video.